Hi all, myself Ranjit Raja. I am here to talk something about SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, and its function, role, and objectives, and the role among various markets like primary market, secondary market, as well as mutual fund and foreign institutional investment. Before moving to the topic, we can see what is SEBI exactly. Securities and Exchange Board of India is regulator of securities market in India. It's a regulator for the market, all markets in India. It includes primary market and secondary market. Initially, it was formed for all purpose of observing the acting. Afterward, in May 1992, Government of India granted legal status to SEBI in that year. Initially, it was formed for the purpose of observing the activities among the market. After some while, they are moved on to the legal activities and all the activities relating to the market. And the headquarters is situated in Mumbai. SEBI has to responsive to need three group which constitute the market. The three groups are the issuers of securities, the investors, the market intermediaries. And then we can see the roles of SEBI. SEBI has various roles in terms of financial awareness, giving to various markets. The roles are included to make rules and regulations. SEBI is an apex body which gives rules and regulations to other market which came under the framework of SEBI and educate brokers and investors to encourage investors, development of stock and shares, safeguard the investors' interest, to stop all fraudulent and malpractices, to provide license to brokers. Uh, the role of SEBI not need much explanation, so I am moving to the next topic. Functions of SEBI. SEBI primarily has three functions. The functions of SEBI has divided into three: protective function, regulatory function, developmental function. Then protective function, checking price rigging, prevent insider trading, promote price practice, fair practice, create awareness among investors, prohibit fraudulent and unfair trade practices. Here, price rigging refers to manipulating the price of securities with the main objective of inflating or depressing the market price of securities. This is the meaning of price rigging, and it helps to prevent insider trading. Insider trading is a person connected with a company such as director, promoter, etc. And then create awareness among investors, promote fair practices. It avoids unfair trade practices and prohibit fraudulent and unfair trade practices. Then regulatory function. The regulatory functions includes designing, guiding, and code of conduct for the proper functioning of financial intermediaries and corporate. Regulating regulation of task over the company, conducting inquiries and audit the exchange, registration of brokers, sub-brokers, merchant banks, etc., levying of fees, performing and re-exercising powers, register and regulate credit rating agency. These are the main regulatory functions. It all comes under the framework of SEBI. And developmental function. Development function, as from the name itself, we can say that this is the function to help other agencies which came under the framework of SEBI. So it includes imparting training to intermediaries, promotion of fair trading and reduction of malpractices. It helps to reduce the unfair trade practices, carry out research work, encouraging self-regulating organization, buy, sell mutual fund directly from AMC through a broker. AMC means asset management companies. Then the objectives of SEBI. It mainly has four objectives, namely to regulate the activities of stock exchange. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, is acting as a head office for all securities stock exchange markets, and it deals with the regulate the activities of stock exchange to protect the right of investors and encourage safety to their investment, to prevent fraudulent and malpractice by having balance between self-regulation of business and its statutory regulations, to regulate and develop a code of conduct for intermediaries such as brokers, underwriters, etc. Then move on to the role in various market. Firstly, role of SEBI in primary market. In primary market means a market where issues share at first time. It includes IPO, initial public offering. And the role of SEBI in this market is examination and approval of listing documents, listing norms and conducting by SEBI, regulate the dealing of primary market, guiding regulation based on issue of capital and disclosure requirement regulation Act 19 2009, that is CARA Act. And then next, any company making public issue or right issue of securities of value more than 50 lakh rupees required to file with SEBI. Any company which make 50 lakh rupees as a value, they must want to register under SEBI. Then functions of primary market under SEBI. First one is primary market facilitate capacity growth by encouraging individuals to convert savings into investment. Then primary market being the part of capital market also issues new securities. Then government of public sector institution and companies can obtain funds in exchange of new stock or bond issues via an investment bank or financial syndicate of securities dealer. And then last is it encourages initial public offering. Initial public offering means a company offer their shares to the public as first time. Then role of SEBI in secondary market. In secondary market, it has some role such as controller of screen-based online trading system. SEBI is a controller of online trading system in secondary market. In secondary market, they are mainly focusing on the online trading. Then dealing with investors' complaints, conducting inspection among intermediaries, examination of physical certificate and introduction of electronic mode. These are the role in secondary market. Then role of SEBI in FII, financial institutional investors. That is a full form of FII. Then the roles are all the process of FII are controlled by SEBI. If FII wants to do anything in the market, they want to take the permission from the SEBI at first. Then SEBI provides operation guideline to FII about how to run in the market. All the documentation process are happening through SEBI. Then FII must register in SEBI for trade in India. If FII want to trade in India, they must want to register SEBI before they are going to trade. Then role of SEBI in mutual funds. In mutual fund, there have numerous roles taken by the SEBI, such as mutual fund companies should register under SEBI. Every mutual fund company must want to register under SEBI for doing their business. SEBI controls all the activities of mutual fund business. All schemes of mutual fund must register in SEBI before plotted in the market. Mutual fund shall be established in the form of trust under the Indian Trust Act to be authorized for the business by the SEBI. These are the main things I included in the presentation. It is only for getting knowledge about SEBI and its role in various markets. That's all. Thank you.